Ever marveled at the glossy, flawless paint job on a brand new car and wondered how it all comes together? Well, you're not alone. The art of car painting is a fascinating process that combines technology, precision, and a dash of magic. It's not just about making the vehicle look pretty, though that's certainly a big part of it. Car painting is an essential step in the manufacturing process, and it's about so much more than aesthetics. It's about protection and durability. The paint acts as a skin for the car, protecting it from external elements such as sun, rain, and even minor scratches. It's like a superhero's shield, constantly safeguarding the car from potential harm. But how do they get that glossy, mirror-like finish? It's not as simple as slapping on a coat of paint and calling it a day. Oh no, the process is a complex dance that requires skill, precision, and a keen eye for detail. Imagine a large, bustling factory where robots and humans work side by side. Each car is treated with the utmost care, as if it were the only one in the world. The paint is applied layer by layer, each one thinner than a human hair. The process is slow and meticulous, but the end result is a car that looks as if it's been dipped in liquid glass. The process of painting a car isn't just a job, it's a science. It's a blend of chemistry, physics, and engineering, with a bit of artistry thrown in for good measure. Every car is a masterpiece, a testament to the skill and dedication of the people who bring it to life. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we can get to the glossy finish, there's a lot of prep work that needs to be done. It's like baking a cake. You can't just throw all the ingredients into a bowl and hope for the best. You need to follow the recipe, step by step, to ensure the perfect result. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of car painting. From the initial prep work to the final glossy finish, we're going to take you on a journey through the magic of turning a piece of cold, hard metal into a shiny, beautiful vehicle. Before we even think about color, there's a crucial first step: the prep work. Now, this isn't just a quick dust-off with a rag. Oh no, this is an intensive, meticulous process that sets the stage for a flawless paint job. Imagine the car body as a canvas. To create a masterpiece, you can't have a canvas with smudges or dust, right? Same goes for our car body. It needs to be squeaky clean, free of any dust, debris, or even the slightest hint of grease. This is where a thorough cleaning comes in. The car body is cleaned with special solvents to remove any contaminants that could interfere with the paint job. It's a bit like giving the car a spa treatment, ensuring it's perfectly primed for the next stage. Once our car body is sparkling clean, we move on to the sanding process. Sanding is the automotive equivalent of exfoliating. It smoothens out the surface, removing any minor imperfections that might be lurking. This process is done with extreme precision because any missed spots or oversanded areas can show up through the paint, and we certainly don't want that. Up next, we have the priming phase. Now, this isn't your regular arts and crafts primer. This is a specially formulated substance that helps the paint adhere better and last longer. The primer is sprayed onto the car body, creating a uniform, smooth surface that's ready to take on the color. It's the bridge between the car's raw surface and the beautiful paint job that's about to come. And there you have it. The car body, once a raw, blank canvas, is now clean, smooth, and primed, ready to be transformed. The prep work might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's an essential step in achieving that glossy, showroom-ready finish we all love. With the prep work done, we're ready to bring in the color. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, we'll much appreciate it. Now it's time to add some color. It all starts with the base coat. Think of the base coat as the foundation of a skyscraper. It's that first layer that sets the tone, the color, and the personality of the car. Just like an artist with their canvas, it all begins with that first stroke of color. The base coat is more than just paint, it's a mixture of resins, solvents, and pigments that give the car its color. And it's not just about aesthetics either. The base coat also offers protection from the elements, from the heat of the sun to the corrosive effects of rain and snow. In the factory, the application of the base coat is a ballet of precision and control. The car bodies move along a conveyor, entering a painting booth that is as clean as a surgical suite. This is a dust-free environment, where even a single speck of dust could mar the perfect finish. The painting guns, guided by precision machinery, begin their dance. They spray the base coat in a uniform layer across the surface of the car. The process is meticulously controlled, from the speed of the conveyor to the pressure of the spray guns. It's all about achieving that perfect, even layer of color. Once the base coat is applied, it's not a case of job done. The car bodies are then baked in an oven. This baking process helps to cure the paint, making it more durable and giving it that smooth, glossy appearance. And here's something to blow your mind. In some factories, the base coat is applied not once, but twice. The second coat, often slightly darker than the first, adds depth and richness to the color. Imagine that, 2 coats of color to make your car look its best. This process, while complex, ensures that every car that comes out of the factory is not just a mode of transportation, but a work of art. A work of art that you can drive down the highway at 70 miles an hour. With the base coat applied, it's time to add some shine. Here comes the part that makes cars gleam, the glossy finish. This is where the magic really starts to show. The glossy finish, or clear coat as it's often called, is the final layer of paint applied to cars. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This clear coat plays a vital role in both the appearance and longevity of the car's paint job. You see, the clear coat is more than just a shiny finish. Sure, it provides that eye-catching gloss that makes new cars look so appealing on the showroom floor. But it also serves a protective function. This layer acts as a shield, protecting the base coat underneath from a myriad of potential threats. It guards against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, preventing the color from fading over time. It also protects the car from minor scratches, chemical stains, and even bird droppings. So, how is this essential layer applied? The process is surprisingly similar to the base coat application. The clear coat is sprayed onto the car using specialized equipment. This ensures an even distribution and a smooth finish. And just like the base coat, the clear coat needs time to dry and harden. This process, known as curing, is crucial for creating a durable and long-lasting finish. The curing process is a bit like baking a cake. The car is placed in a specially designed oven where the temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. This allows the clear coat to harden into a smooth, glossy finish. But it's not a quick process. The car needs to bake for a while to ensure the clear coat is fully set and ready to withstand the elements. So there you have it. The glossy finish is not just about looking good, although it certainly does that. It's also about protecting the car and ensuring the paint job lasts as long as possible. It's this combination of form and function that makes the glossy finish such an important part of the car painting process. The glossy finish makes the car shine, but we're not done yet. The paint job might look complete, but there's more. The final touches. Now you might think the painting process is over, right? Well, not quite. There's an essential step that ensures the car's paint job is nothing short of perfect: the final inspection and touch-ups. This phase is just as critical as the initial prep work, the application of the base coat, and the glossy finish. It's the ultimate quality check, the last line of defense before the car rolls out of the factory, ready to dazzle on the roads. This is where the painter's meticulous attention to detail comes into play. They scrutinize every inch of the car's surface, looking for any imperfections. A tiny bubble here, a slight run there, nothing escapes their eagle eyes. They're like the Sherlock Holmes of the car painting world, solving the mystery of the elusive, flawless finish. And if they spot something amiss, that's where the touch-ups come in. With a steady hand and a keen eye, they correct any blemishes, ensuring the car's paint job is as smooth as glass and as perfect as a summer's day. But we're not done yet. There's one more step to achieving that showroom shine: the polishing and buffing process. This is where the car's paint job gets that final sparkle, that extra bit of pizzazz. It's like the icing on a cake, the cherry on top of a sundae. The car is polished to a high shine, buffed until it gleams, and then inspected one final time. And voila! What was once a bare body is now a masterpiece of color and shine, a testament to the skill and dedication of the factory's painters. It's a transformation that never fails to amaze, a journey from raw metal to a work of art. And there you have it, from a bare body to a brilliantly painted car, ready to hit the road. Please add in the comment, what's your favorite car color?